So we've done zip lines, we've done ramps on tinnies, we've done Swampy. Now I've got a new idea and we're gonna have a crack at that. Check her out.
So we've got a lot of things before to go away in, but this is the biggest to date. That's a big boat, dude. So after looking at the plans, I'm like, Jase, yeah, you're gonna need a bigger truck, I reckon, dude.
We've got not only the truck build on, we've got the barge build, all being built side by side. Holy crap, it is a tank. It's a mammoth task, not only for the builder, but also for me to get my head around how this is all gonna come together. And then you'd mount the rod holders off that. We've also got to do some water testing. Yeah, this thing's awesome. You've got to make sure that the weights are correct, the props are good, being safe in an offshore environment.
Rod bike's going to move a lot, when you're in the ocean.
Fine tuning, because that's going to be the critical part.
Like we measured bits, but you know what it's like?
Building this boat has been an absolute mission.
What the happened there?
Standing on the boat and the sheer size of it, you really start to get a picture in your mind the potential of what we could do with this thing.
Oh no, I love it. Come and have a look inside, mate. It's bloody awesome, isn't it?
I really can't wait to get it out there into the top end of Australia and see what the capabilities of this thing is and see what new country we can open up.